Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today we are going to make a delicious peas and potato pasta. Ingredients for the recipe today is extra virgin olive oil, we got some Parmesan, we're using dry pasta, and today the shape is Ditali. Then we got some soffritto and fresh red chili. We got peas and potatoes. And then we need some water for the pasta. Let's start. We got already the pan on, so we place a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, couple of tablespoons. Remember, when I say 2 tablespoons, it's 3. So a good amount of olive oil. Then we can start to place the soffritto. This I'm gonna keep it with me so I can add a little bit of fresh chili. Just waiting that the oil gets really nice and hot and go all straight in, yeah? We leave it to cook for a few minutes, not too long, because we're gonna add then the potatoes, yeah? As I say, I just gonna add a little bit of fresh chili. It's really up to you how much you love it, the fresh, the chili into your food. I normally remove the inside part because it's really, really hot. I like it spicy, but not too much, otherwise it's going to cover completely the taste of the potatoes, that they are very delicate as a taste. So I'm gonna roughly chop some red chili, and then you can add. It's adding also color, so it's just beautiful. We got the orange, the green, and the white. So let's add a little bit of red. Goes straight in, guys. Mix all together. It's a low medium heat. I don't want to burn the veg. And now, guys, I have already chopped the potatoes. Now, I know probably I'm asking too much, but to make sure that the potatoes are cooked perfectly, you need to try to really dice the potato on the same side. Now, you don't have to be very precise, but try to make it all equal. So, and I put it in the water, guys, just because they're gonna get completely black if it's not underwater. We will remove the water and add it to the soffritto. Ragazzi, I have then added the potatoes and the water. The water, as you can see, is the same level of the potatoes. The heat are very low. We don't want to completely mash the potatoes. So very slow. What we have to do, we just leave it covered for about 20 minutes, the time that the potato gets soft. And then, wait, I forgot something. Let's add a little bit of salt. So just a tiny little pinch of salt. Don't worry, we can add more later. You leave it closed, and about 20 minutes we're gonna check and then see if we are ready to add the pasta and the peas. Ragazzi, let's have a look. So we have the potato now ready, and I want you to check. We have added enough water to now place straight into the same pan the pasta. Now, for the pasta, the cooking time is always on the package. Please have a look and consider. If you have a pasta that cooks in 7 minutes, I want you at 5 minutes to add then the peas. So let's throw the pasta first, guys. All in the same pan, as I said. Don't worry, it's going to cook. Trust me. You are going to mix it together. And now let's wait 5 minutes until the pasta is nice and cooked, and then we can add the fresh peas. Ragazzi, now the peas and potatoes pasta is ready. We're just gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a tiny little bit. I love when you put it, you know, it gets a little bit shiny. Then I have added the cheese. Oh, that's amazing. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Just gonna try and see. Really, really nice. Guys, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more recipes.